Na so dem no fit wait make I reach. Oh, na dis guy. Hello? How far na? How una dey?
We dey as you leave us o. You don reach Emirates?
No, I still dey road. You know say as I bin dey comot, the crowd of players wey dem newly sign bin dey cause hold up for dat Stamford Bridge gate. Plus the renovation machinery and equipment wey dem dey use expand Chelsea bench. Before I comot from dat bridge ba, I sweat.
Hey yeah.
Na why I still dey road na.
True, I understand. But your own don better from now on na.
Na God work o.
Even sef, your life dey like big boy own wey go soon lift EPL trophy.
You don start now.
Now. Na wetin many of us wey be old players for Chelsea dey pray for now. To japa go club wey sabi wetin dem dey do.
No dey talk like that now. You, when you even come Chelsea.
Na wetin I dey talk now. I never reach one season for Chelsea. Bench don dey romance my ash. So tey my baby go soon turn white like Rooney own.
Oh my God.
You never reach like that now.
See this one o. Oga Boyle wey dey renovate bench, come dey add even social amenities inside am. Wetin you think say be im aim? With the amount of players wey dey enter dis club for each position ba, even if Oga Potter decide to play us turn by turn, before I reach my turn ba, we fit don go relegation come back sef.
Wow. So why you come dey call me?
Na now I ask better question. I wan make you help me ba. Use sweet mouth go tell Oga Teta say make him forgive me. Let bygones be bygones. Tell am say I dey need am and dey beg am. Say make him arrange small money come buy me comot from dis Chelsea for summer transfer window. Also tell am say I don swear say I no go ever dey indisciplined again.
Omo, this one na long talk o, but I go try see wetin I fit do.
My brother, abeg try. Even change the room no dey enter all of us again. Thank you.
Jesus is Lord.
Modric, come on, stand up, make your head and sit down. When you even come this club, safe.
Now wow, now so them dey wash boot for this guy village. Neymar! Neymar!
Waiting. Why they shout my name like that?
Come first, make I show you something.
Waiting.
Hakimi tell me say na you wash this my boot.
Now him give me say after them share your dirty things. Now this one reach me to wash.
Now like so them dey wash boot for a village.
What do you mean with that question?
See all these things. So come on boot, you no sabi wash again.
Oh my God.
See, Mbappe, this your bullying done dey too much oh. Just because they manage give you seat for board of members of PSG, no mean say you go make everybody life for PSG dey miserable oh. I go report you give Messi again.
See, make I tell you, mind the false information wey dey comot for your mouth oh. Now me get PSG now oh.
What?
And you say you go report me to give Messi. Who be Messi? Wetin you wan do me?
Messi na person wey knack you to collect World Cup.
I no blame you. Come on boot, you no fit wash well again. You no get value again no. I put you for say this January transfer window from 1st to 31st. Nobody even price you.
I don't even know why they follow you talk. If you like, no wear your boot like that.
Hey, Neymar, come back here. Come collect this boot, wash well. You no go see your salary this week oh.